feel that? I can actually feel it vibrating.
Really?
It's like this hum. Yeah.
You guys see that too?
Been hearing some strange noises outside now for a bit. I'll open the window to show you. It's really strange. Listen.
What is that sound? What the is that sound?
What is that, man?
They have boring machines, for instance. They don't bore, they literally vitrify and melt the rock, deflagrate the rock. It's a very sophisticated laser melting and deflagrating system. Reduce the rock to a powder and then melts the remaining rock as a coating on the inside of the base, so you don't have to use gunite, cements, and other kinds of things like that. That's all old hat now. Technology is just basically, the new technology we get is the old hat of the military.